Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of times you guys ask me like, Erin, how do you get the freaking Got2B to hold? Because literally y'all, Got2B, if you apply it right, it can hold for like a week and maybe even 2 weeks. It can hold for a while just as long as you apply it right, okay? So anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply it and how it lasts, how I apply it to make it last for a while. Now the way you want to use the Got2B gel or the spray, you still, especially if you want it to last, you can put your wig on over makeup if you would like to, but it is gonna hold better if you clean the surface first, like the area first. So I'm gonna go in with my 91% alcohol, and I'm gonna clean the area just like I would if I was using some sort of glue. It just works better on a clean, debris-free surface, okay? So anyway, I'm just gonna go and do that, okay? So what I'm going to be using for this particular tutorial, I'm going to be using both of these, okay? Because these together, the hold is just so much better together, okay? So that is what we are going to be doing. So firstly, I'm going to get some of this. I'm just going to put on my finger, and I'm going to go around my hairline. Alright, so I have applied the black gel. If you would like to use the other color, you can, but this is just what works for me. I applied the black gel, and what I did was I applied that gel pretty thick. Like, I applied a lot on there, a lot. So I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to apply another layer, okay? And I'll be back. Now that I have let that pretty much dry, it's a tad bit tacky, I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna put a really thin layer over top of that thick layer that I did, okay? And I can feel where I already added one layer. I can feel that it's not super dry, but it's just kind of tacky. So I'm just adding a very thin layer over that layer. So now that everything is pretty tacky, I'm going to go in on top of those two layers. I'm gonna go in with the spray, and I'm not gonna spray a lot of this spray. I'm just gonna go around it a little bit. All right, so after I go around that, that's what your hairline should look like. I'm just gonna blow dry just a bit, and then we'll lay our wig. Alright, so yes, guys, that is how I lay my wigs with the Got2B, and I get a really strong hold. Basically, it's all about layering. That's all I'm gonna say. The whole point of it is layering. Just like with a lot of glues, you have to layer that. Okay, so but when you layer with the Got2B glue, you need to layer, let dry, layer, let dry, layer, let dry. Okay, so I did 2 layers, or at least let it get tacky. Don't let it get all the way dry, just let it get tacky. Okay, so after my first layer, I let that layer get tacky. The first one was my first layer was really thick. I let it get tacky. After they got tacky, I put a thin layer over it. Then I let that get tacky, and then I went in with my spray, let it get a little dry, and then I lay my wig, and this ensures me a maximum hold. I have not did it yet, but normally what I do after this, I will tie my hair down with a or just a scarf for a while to just let everything kind of melt together, and I be good. Like, yeah, this wig is stuck. This wig is stuck, so it works for me. I would suggest for my girls who are saying the Got2B does not work for them, they're trying to find something else, but they don't want to use glue, just try it again, but try it with layering. Even if you just go in with the Got2B spray, you know, make sure you try and layer it. That's just what it's all about. But anyway, let's get into styling this wig. Well, this hair. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm just here to do a review, of course. So in the beginning of the video, I did show you guys how to, like, some tips on how to kind of lay That Got2B glue and make your wig stay for a while. Okay, so hopefully those tips were helpful. Let's get right into the hair. So the hair that I am wearing is from the company called Alipearl. I'm looking down at my phone, y'all already know. It's from a company by the name of Alipearl. I have the links 18, 20, 22 with a 18 frontal, okay, a 18 ear to ear frontal. And guys, if you guys see like stripes on my face, I do work in a medical setting and I have to wear a mask all day. So when I constantly put the mask on and take it off, yeah, it messes up my makeup. But anyway, just letting y'all know, so I was like, be like, what is going on? So anyway, let me cut to the chase. Yes, this is the Alipearl Hair. So this is what it looks like so far. All right. So this is pretty much like an initial install. I've been wearing it for a few days now and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. The only thing that I can say is that the only thing that I can say is that the hair gets a little frizzy, but other than that, that's pretty much it. I know that I did wash this hair, and when I washed it, this is straight hair, okay? But when I washed it, it converted to like this wave, like almost like a body wave like texture. So I don't know if that's kind of what the hair kind of tries to do, because as y'all can see, like over here I'm getting a little bit of frizz, but yeah, when I washed it, it converted to like a body wavy. Like, it was pretty. It was some pretty waves. I was kind of wearing my hair like that, but I was like, oh no, I'm feeling the bone straight look. But one thing I can say is I really like these frontals straight off the gate. The frontals are nice, as you all can see. Okay, I did a little bit of customization to the frontal. I can honestly say I didn't have to do a lot. Now, the frontal wasn't just perfect. It wasn't just like this when I got out of the pack, but I did not have to do a lot as far as plucking goes. Okay, and I do like the parting space on this frontal. I did part it on the side. You know, whenever you part a frontal on the side, it's not as much parting as the middle, but that's a pretty good amount of parting space. Okay, I want to do something different. Y'all know I never wear side parts because I just don't think it fits my face. I think it makes my face look weird, but I'm feeling this. The hair is really, really, really soft. I like that. Like I said, so far it's been good. I haven't been receiving any type of, you know, crazy shedding. Of course, we know all hair sheds. That's the reality. I said it in every video. But as far as it being like anything obsessive, globs, no, have not experienced that yet. I did bleach the knots on this frontal. I have been bleaching my knots usually. Like, I had stopped and I was just using makeup, but I went back to bleaching them and I use the makeup or the leg spray. So I do both now, and I just feel like it gives me an even more natural look. Okay, and even when you add the makeup in the leg spray, sometimes those knots are still real dark, and that's why I started back bleaching mine. Okay, it's an extra step, but it really is worth it. Okay, so that is what that looks like, and I just laid a few soft baby hairs, and that is pretty much it. I will be coming back to update you all on this hair and just let you guys know, you know, how everything is going, how it's holding up, has the frizz gotten better, and things like that. And y'all already know I'm gonna put it through the ring, because I've already been wearing it to work and I've been sleeping in it, and y'all know I never tie my hair down. That's another reason why it's probably frizzing, because y'all know I don't take care of my hair. but I don't tie it down or anything. So yeah, it's probably me. But I will come back to you all with the update. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. And you guys already know I will have the links and all their info in the description box. And I'll see you on the next one.